A very warm morning to one and all present over here. Respected principal sir, reverend in charges, dear teachers and all my fellow friends. This is Larry of class 7th Haven standing in front of you all to express my views on a very important day of Ozone Layer Day. The sun is giving heat and light to us, but some of its harmful UV rays are dangerous. The ozone layer is protecting Earth from these UV rays, but the humans are doing pollution by using CFC gases and the smoke from cars. These are making hole in the ozone layer. Now the UV rays are able to come on Earth, and due to these UV rays, skin cancer, eye damage, etc. would cause. So to improve this, the UNEP, United Nations Environmental Programme, a part of United Nations, has organized World Ozone Day on every 16 September. Not only this, but also the UNEP is giving theme every year. This year, the theme is Ozone for Life. The theme highlights the lightening of vital role of the shield of an irreplaceable shield of the planet Earth. Today, we Yellow House students are going to present a skit on World Ozone Day. So, let's enjoy the skit.
Today, we are here to present a skit on World Ozone Day. Every year, on 16 September, the world itself reminds us the importance of the ozone layer, a protective shield for the Earth.
But what happens if the shield weakens? Let's travel through the time to understand the story of our ozone layer.
I am sun. I give life, but some of my ultraviolet UV rays are dangerous.
Oh no! These UV rays are harmful for me.
I am your ozone layer. I block most harmful UV rays and let safe light pass through. Without me, skin cancer, eye damage and plant extraction will spread. Thank you, ozone, for protecting all my children.
Ha ha! We are CFC gases used in refrigerators, ACs and sprays. Nobody knows our secret.
When we rise up, we destroy ozone layer. Look what I can do. Oh no! These gases are breaking me apart. A hole is opening over Antarctica. What will happen to my children now? The ozone hole is real. If we don't act, UV rays will cause skin diseases, crop failure and climate imbalance. We must ban harmful chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons.
Of world until signed the Monetary Protocol in 1987 to save ozone.
Thank you, humans. With your effort, I am healing slowly.
This means human unite, they can correct their mistakes.
The Montreal Protocol became one of the most successful agreements in history. Slowly, the ozone hole is healing.
Dear elders, you saved ozone layer and today I can live under a safe sky. Please continue to use clean energy, plant trees and avoid pollution.
The ozone story is not over. It's a reminder that every small action counts.
Protect ozone, protect life. Save ozone, save life.
Thank you.
This skit concludes that we must ban CFCs and we must reduce the use of the polythene bags that cause pollution. And we must make the environment that is happy and joyful. Thank you for giving your attention and have a wonderful day ahead.